Hey friends, have you ever find some awesome video clips you want to use in your edit, but when you open them, these annoying hard-coded subtitles are totally ruining the shot? And if we wanted to get rid of them, we can only crop, zoom in, or blur them. Ugh. All these methods will ruin our video edit. So today, I'm going to show you how to use an AI tool to perfectly solve this problem. It can intelligently analyze the picture around the subtitles, erase the text, and then redraw the background, achieving a truly seamless removal. The process is super simple. Let's check it out. First, download and install the software. After installation, open it and upload the video file. After importing, find the fixed blur from the top tools. Next, in the preview window, drag the box to perfectly select the subtitle area. Now for the most important step, in the type option on the right, select Remove. Alright, all the settings are done. This might take a moment depending on your video length and computer specs. Okay, it's finished. Look at this. The subtitles have completely disappeared, and the background has been restored so naturally. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.